Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest products on the market.
Today, we're taking a closer look at the best of the best. The Pilot G2 Premium Gel Roller Pens, fine point 0.7mm in classic black.
If you're a pen enthusiast like me, you're in for a treat.
Let's get started.
Now, before we delve into the specifics, let's talk about why the Pilot G2 pens have earned their reputation as the go-to choice for pen aficionados everywhere. These pens aren't just your average writing utensils. They're a testament to quality craftsmanship and innovation. With a sleek design and a fine 0.7mm point, they offer a writing experience that's unparalleled in its smoothness and precision. Let's break down some of the key features that make these pens stand out from the crowd. First up, we have the gel ink formula, which glides effortlessly across paper, delivering crisp, clean lines with every stroke. Plus, it's been proven to be the longest-lasting gel ink pen on the market, so you can write more without constantly reaching for a refill. And let's not forget about the comfortable grip. Whether you're jotting down notes during a marathon meeting or sketching out your next masterpiece, the contoured rubber grip provides ergonomic support, making those long writing sessions a breeze. But wait, there's more. These pens aren't just for writing. Thanks to their versatile nature, they're perfect for a wide range of tasks, from note-taking to intricate drawing. The G2 tip delivers consistent, vibrant lines that are ideal for any creative endeavor. And here's the cherry on top. These pens are not only refillable, saving you money and reducing waste, but they also feature quick-drying ink that helps prevent smudges and smears, ensuring that your work stays pristine from start to finish. Now, let's talk about the brand behind the pen, Pilot. With a legacy of innovation and quality, Pilot has been a trusted name in the world of writing instruments for decades. When you choose a Pilot pen, you're not just getting a writing tool, you're getting a piece of history. And with fewer returns than average compared to similar products, you can buy with confidence, knowing that you're getting a product that delivers on its promises. So there you have it, folks, the best of the best, the Pilot G2 Premium Gel Roller Pens. Whether you're a student, an artist, or a professional, these pens are sure to elevate your writing experience to new heights. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, happy writing!